Camara di Comercio é partner estratégico onde o qual está a Mision Comercial na Surnam possível. Vamos conversar com Diederik Kemmerling, que conta nos mais de banda todo esforço com a passina aqui por a Mision Comercial fructífero.
The Chamber of Commerce is always present at trade missions. So, for example, not so long ago we did a virtual trade mission with Venezuela, and last year we did a trade mission in Colombia, in Bogota, and this year it's Suriname. We have as well another country knocking on our doors, which is Panama. So the trade missions are coming frequently, and it's very important for the Chamber of Commerce to help with that and to represent the companies, to look for matching companies for the companies that we're bringing to those countries.
When we talk about matching companies, how many companies are present today towards here in Surnam?
Yeah, so we have several companies here. It's more than 10 companies that we have in Suriname at the moment. Think about wholesalers, IT companies, and even a company that's importing and exporting geneesmiddelen. So we have several companies at the moment here. And then together with them, we look for matching companies in the country to see if we can match them together here in Suriname. And that already happened today. And hearing to the entrepreneurs here, they were already successful today. So that's very good news.
Now, when we talk about making this possible, it's a lot of logistics on your side, but also on the counterpart, Suriname, to make it possible.
Yeah, normally we plan these things like weeks and months ahead, and we contact, for example, the Chamber of Commerce in that specific country. We discuss with them our objectives and their objectives, and then we look for the matching companies. This time in Suriname, we had a very short time frame, so within only a few weeks, we had to work very hard to make everything happen.
Now, Aruba and Suriname has a lot in common when you see the bigger picture.
Yeah, so there's a lot of opportunities for the island, for Aruba. So, for example, importing products from Suriname. Think about vegetables, think about fresh fruits. Everyone knows that the prices that we have on the island, they are increasing super fast. As well, the products that we have on the island, sometimes they're not that fresh. They do have them here. So today we had several meetings with, for example, the Minister of Economic Affairs, but as well the President, to discuss, these kind of things, the opportunities that we saw, but as well the challenges that we have. Because, for example, the cargo from here to Aruba, it takes a lot of days. So we were discussing with the government today what would be the possibilities with, for example, Suriname Airways.
Also, reduction of red tape in Aruba, but also in Suriname is something that's really important to make those goals be achievable.
Yeah, of course. So we had a full presentation of an accounting firm today that basically explained all the red tape and all the rules and regulations here in Suriname. And of course it's now our task as well to discuss these things with the government and see what we can do there.
Reducir red tape é algo que o Camara di Comercio para pouco tempo quer mirar como desenvolvimento positivo, não somente na Aruba, mas também em eventual enlace estratégico entre Aruba e Surnam. Voor para Maribo Surnam, Marcos Espinosa para 24hora.com, nós está a prome de notícia.